Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Tarun Dhingra with us from BVG. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, sir, can you just let us know about your business performance like last year, if we talk about last year, and what are your goals and strategies for the coming year?
So we have received LMM in the month of February, and until then we have got great, great business from Indian market and as well as from international market. So considering Indian market, our factory is by God willingly, and thank you for the customer and all the stakeholders. Our factory is up and running 24 by 7. And talking about international grounds, we have good inquiries. We have good base set up in USA as of now, and considering tariffs into the play, tariffs have got the industry on the lower side, and the ease of doing business in USA, it has to be reconsidered. Not only that, but offsetting that, we have also doing business in African market, and African market is also doing great. And particularly talking about Indian market, yes, Indian market have demand, and currently we are supplying monoperk. So we have multiple of orders of monofacial, that is 550 watt peak non DCR, and DCR also we have recently come up, and recently we are also exploring ourselves towards cell manufacturing, where we are covering TOPCon, G12, and going with 720 watt peak solar module, TOPCon, domestic content manufacturing. Not only that, in this stall we have showcased our latest modules of TOPCon 720 watt peak, also 590 watt peak and 620 watt peak, which is G12R. So yeah, market is doing great, and we are getting good response. And this year, this month, we are also in our phase 2 of expansion, which is going to be 1.1 gigawatt of solar modules, and particularly talking about expanding the line till 5 gigawatt. And yes, the government is also being supportive, and the ease of doing business in India is doing great.
That's great, sir. And how is the PLI scheme influencing your manufacturing growth strategy?
I just mentioned that the government is in support of the business, and they are concentrating more on ease of doing business for solar industry, and targeting on the honorable Prime Minister's agenda and the target. Uh, you know, so the UP government, the UP Invest, we are very much empaneled with the government of Uttar Pradesh, and we are looking forward to expand our factories and manufacturing line in India. And also talking about solar modules, that is, we are expecting that those lines in Uttar Pradesh, and for the cell manufacturing also, expectedly we are going to establish that line in Uttar Pradesh, having good ties with the state government.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for sharing the information with us. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you. Thank you.